Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to practice more questions on fractions. And in this video we are still focusing on adding and subtracting fractions. But it is a little bit harder, okay? So we have 5 questions in the page here to practice about adding or subtracting fractions. So here's we have question A. Let's solve it together. So here's, as we can see, we have 1 half plus 10 divided by 2. So we have 2 is the same denominator, right? And here we have 1/3 plus 13 divided by 3. We have 3 is the same denominator. And the rule, we just put the same denominator and then we just add the numerator together. So here we have the same denominator 2 and then we take 1 plus 10 and then minus, here we have 3 is the same denominator and then 1 plus 13. Okay, so here we add 1 plus 10 which is equal to 11 and then here equal to 14. So now as we can see, which is we have only this and then we have only this. Okay, so now we have to calculate it again. We have to find the same denominator first. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 is the same denominator. So 2 has to multiply with 3. Alright. So then 11 also have to multiply with 3. And here we have to multiply with 2. Okay, so now we have 2 times 3 which is equal to 6. And here is also equal to 6. So what about here? Which is equal to 33. And here 14 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 28. So now we have the same denominator which is 6. So then we just put the same denominator which is 6 and then we take 33 minus 28. Okay, so then which is equal to 5 divided by 6. So that is the final answer. Okay, now then we have to solve question B here. So as we can see, we have 15 divided by 4 minus 5.5 here. So then as we can see, it is not the same denominator, which is this one 4 and then this one is 2. So then we just have to multiply 2 here with 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. So then we just multiply with 2 and we also multiply the numerator with 2. And here which is equal to 10, right? And then here 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. Okay, now we have the same denominator. Then we just put the same denominator which is 4 and then take 15 minus 10. Okay, and then plus. So here we also have to here as we can see, it is not the same denominator, right? So the same denominator for these two fractions is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. So then we have to multiply 4 with this 3, and then 1 also multiply with 3, and then here we have to multiply with 4. So as we can see, the denominator equal 12. Okay, so here is equal to 3. 7 multiplied by 4 equal 28. Okay, so now we just put the same denominator, which is equal to 12, and then take 3 minus 28. Okay, so then equal, here we have 15 minus 10, so that will be equal to 5. So 5 divided by 4 plus, so here we have 3 minus 28, which is equal to minus 25. Okay, so minus 25. Okay, so then which is equal to 5 divided by 4, positive and negative sign, it gives us negative sign. Okay, so then that will be 25 divided by 12. Okay, so we have to calculate this again, which is that we have to find the same denominator. So 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. So then we just multiply with 3, and here's also multiply with 3. Okay, so 3 multiply 4 equal 12. 5 multiply 3 equal 15. So then we just take 12 as the same denominator, and then 15 minus 25. That will be equal to minus 10. Okay, so then we have to simplify the numerator with denominator. So minus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so then that will be equal to minus 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So that will be minus 5 divided by 6 is the final answer. Okay, again, so next we have to solve C here. So we have 11 divided by 7 minus 23 divided by 14. So here we also have to find the same denominator. So 7 and 14. So 7 can multiply with 2, which is equal to 14. Okay, so then we also multiply 11 with the 2. So here's equal to 14 as well, and then here's equal to 22, right? Okay, so next then we have to find the same denominator here. We have 7 and 3. So the same denominator for these two fractions, which is 7 multiplied by 3 equal to 21. So here we have to multiply with 3, and then so here we have to multiply 7 with 3, and the numerator also multiply with 3, and 3 also have to multiply with 7, and 1 also multiply with 7. So then we can find the same denominator, which is equal to 21. Okay, so here equal 12, then here is equal 7. So now then we have to just put the same denominator here, which is 14, and take 22 minus 23, and then plus. So we take 21 is the same denominator, and then 12 plus 7. So here is equal to minus 1. And then here is equal to 19. Okay, so right. So here we have to find the same denominator. So we have 14 here. So 14 also can be written as 7 multiplied with 2. And here we have 21 can be written as 7 multiplied with 3. So now we have 7 multiplied 2, but we don't have 3. So then we need to multiply with 3. And here we have 7 and 3, but we don't have 2. So we just multiply with 2. Okay, so then equal. So now as we can see, we have 7 multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 3, 42. Okay, and here's also 42. So here's equal to minus 3. And here's equal to 38. Okay, so we just put the same denominator 42 and then take minus 3 plus 38. Then equal, we have 38 minus 3, which is equal to 35 divided by 42. Alright, so now we can just simplify the numerator with denominator. So here's 35, we can simplify with 7. That means we have to divide by 7. And here we also can divide by 7. So then equal 35 divided by 7 here, which is equal to 5. And here's equal to 6. So the answer is 5 divided by 6. Okay, the answer is quite similar, right? As we can see, but I don't expect that the answer is almost the same, but I don't know why it's come out like this. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the next question. Here's D. We have 17 divided by 16 minus 3 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 4, or 1/4. Okay, so we have to find the same denominator. So we have 8 can multiply with 2, so that will be equal to 16 as well, yeah. And then we also have to multiply 3 with 2. And so here's 4, we have to multiply with 4 equal to 16. 1 also multiply with 4. Okay, so then now we have the same denominator, which is equal to 16. And then I take 17, and then here is minus 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6, minus 6, and then minus 1 multiplied by 4, 4. So then equal, here's 17 minus 6 equal to 11 minus 4 divided by 16. Okay, here we have 11 minus 4, which is equal to 7 divided by 16. Okay, now finally we have found the answer, but the answer for this one is not the same, right? Okay, now we have to move to the next question. We have to find the same denominator. So now we have 7, so then we have to multiply with 3 and 5. So here we have to multiply with 3 and multiply with 5. And then we also have to multiply the numerator here also with 3 and with 5. And here we have only 3, so then we don't have 7 and 5. So then we just multiply with 7 and 5. The numerator also multiply with 7 and 5. Here we have 5, but we don't have 7 and 3. So then we have to multiply with 3 and 7. And here we also multiply with 3 and 7. Okay, so then here we have 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. Okay, so we just put the same denominator. We just take any one of them. Alright, so then minus 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. And then plus 7 multiplied with 3 equals 21. So then we have 15 here minus 35, which is equal to minus 20. And then plus 21. So here we have 5 multiplied with 3 and 7. That will be equal to 105. Okay. So here we have the answer equal to 1 divided by 105. Okay. I hope you understand step by step. And the most important thing is that we know how to find the same denominator. Okay, so if you have any questions or any comment, please let me know. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.